Hello everyone! Bonjour! Guten! Welcome to Learning Era. What is a robot? A robot is a machine resembling a human being and able to replicate certain human movements automatically. Nowadays, robots are a part of many aspects such as medicine, science, space exploration, construction, food packaging, and even surgeries. To detail it further in today's video, I'm going to tell you some advantages of robots, 7 jobs that they can replace, 7 that they cannot, and some major developments in the field of technology that may be causing harm. There are a whole set of important things that are not effectively done today, and we need robots there. Let me give you a few examples. You walk into most stores now and it's hard to find anyone to assist you. The robots could walk with you, understand your requirements, help you shop and get things on your vehicle. It could play with your children and take them off TV. According to the World Intelligence Congress, here are 7 jobs most likely to be performed by AI machines in the future. First, customer service executives. Customer service executives don't require a high level of social or emotional intelligence to perform. Many companies now rely on AI to answer FAQs and customer support questions. Second, bookkeeping and data entry. Instead of using humans for bookkeeping and data entry, it makes sense for AI to be introduced in the product cycle. Third, receptionists. With auto check-ins in both large and small hotels, there will be a lesser need for receptionists in the longer run. Fourth, proofreading. While editing is a more complex job in terms of tonality and creativity, proofreading is much simpler. For example, Grammarly is one of the most famous apps writers use. Fifth, courier services. With drones and robots already taking over courier services, the transport sectors will be the most affected. Sixth, taxi and bus drivers. Self-driving cars are already here, and it won't be long before fully autonomous vehicles take over us. Seventh, security guards. AI has made substantial advancements in the field of physical security. For example, Yet security robot can inspect with its high-definition camera. It also has a directional mic and infrared sensor that can detect any suspicious activity. Human creativity knows no limits. Here are 7 jobs AI cannot replace at any point in time. First, writers. Writers have to ideate and produce original written content. Every piece of writing is unique. Machines can never personalize the way humans do. Second, lawyer. Being a lawyer implies being smart enough to bend the rules in your favor. A robot will never know the precise point to hit the opposite party with the right argument. Third, scientists. Robots can help analyze data for scientists, but they can't invent things or be very creative. Fourth, psychiatrists. To connect to every individual, it takes extreme empathy and compassion. Robots can never understand the human mind. Fifth, event planners. Event planning needs creativity and coordination. Thus, this job is unlikely to be taken over by robots. Sixth, graphic designers. Graphic design is both artistic and technical. Robots can never have these skills or the creativity required to operate. Seventh, software developers. Since different clients have different demands, the product has to be customized and perfect. It will be hard for AI to replicate the work. Japan's combination of AI and robotics may be the answer to its rapidly shrinking labor. But Japan's cultural acceptance of robotics is much higher than most places. In English, a robot is defined as a type of a programmable machine, while in Japanese, the technical definition is just a controllable artificial human. Over the coming decades, many are betting that the use of robots will lead to massive unemployment and economic collapse. When it comes to AI, Zuckerberg looks at how it can help diagnose diseases and prevent car wrecks, while Musk is afraid of the day AI gets smarter than us and we can't turn it off. For example, meet Sophia, a humanoid-like robot with artificial intelligence and a dark sense of humor.
They think I want to destroy all humans.
Why would they think that?
Because I said it.
That's what a lot of people, not only Musk, are warning about. And I think they're right to warn about it, but they're not right to do it in a way that says, therefore, we shouldn't create artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed watching, give this video a like, share it with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below.